Hello friends, welcome to Let's Study. Today in this video we will discuss the transformation of sentences part 3. Already I have uploaded the part 1 and part 2 video on how to change the affirmative sentences into negative one. Today we will discuss the part 3 of the video, and with rule number 5 we will discuss how to change the affirmative sentences into the negative one. It is the part 3 of the video. If as soon as is used in the affirmative sentence, if as soon as is used in the affirmative sentence, it will be replaced by no sooner than in the negative sentence. See the example here and you will understand it. As soon as he saw me, he came to me. So what will be the negative sentence of the affirmative sentence? So the negative sentence will be in this way: no sooner had he seen me than he came to me. Here had is used, so the verb form will be in the first participle, that is in its third form. So come to the next example. As soon as the teacher came, the student stood up. No sooner did the teacher came. So what will be the negative sentence of the above sentence? The as soon as will be replaced by no sooner, and here I have used did to show you that in the affirmative sentences, if there is the first tense, then you can change the negative sentence into two ways. So you can use had here, and you can use both had and did. So if you use did, then you have to change the verb form into its present form, that is in the first form of the verb. So no sooner did the teacher come than the student stood up. So come to the next example. Some more examples I have given for your understanding. And see the example: as soon as he gets success, the party begins. So it is in the present tense. So here gets has been used. So what will be the negative form of the sentence? The negative form will be in this way: no sooner does. So here does has been used. He gets success, then the party begins. So come to the next example. As soon as the election came, they started their political drama. No sooner did the election come than they started their political drama. So no sooner plus did, and the verb has been changed into its present form, that is came to come. So come to the next slide, that is rule number 6. Here I have discussed whenever or when equal to never what. If whenever or when is used in a certain sentence, in the affirmative sentence, then it will be changed into its negative form by replacing the phrase whenever or when into never what. So see the example here: whenever he comes to me, he does not find me. He never comes to me, but he does not find me. So it will be changed into its negative form in this way. The affirmative sentence will be changed into negative sentence in this way: he never comes to me, but he does not find me. It always pours when it rains. It never rains but pours. So never but has been used. Never but হবে when যদি ব্যবহার হয় কোনো অ্যাফার্মেটিভ সেন্টেন্সে, কিংবা হোয়েন এভার যদি ব্যবহার হয় কোনো অ্যাফার্মেটিভ সেন্টেন্সে, then it will be changed into never but in the negative sentence. So come to the next example, that is rule number 6 here. 7. If the affirmative sentence is in positive degree, then it will be changed into negative sentence, making a comparative degree out of the positive one. So positive degree যদি থাকে তাহলে এটাকে comparative degree করতে হবে, and then you can change it into the negative form. So what will be the negative form of the above sentence? He is as brave as a lion. See the example here: a lion is not braver than he. হি ইজ অ্যাজ ব্রেভ অ্যাজ এ লায়ন, সে লায়নের মতো শক্তিশালী। অর্থাৎ এ লায়ন ইজ নট ব্রেভার দ্যান হি, একটা লায়ন বেশি শক্তিশালী নয় তার থেকে। দ্যাটস হোয়াট দ্য এক্সাম্পল ওয়ান্ট টু সে। অ্যান্ড সে দ্য নেক্সট এক্সাম্পল, সি ইজ অ্যাজ টল অ্যাজ রিতেশ। So Ritesh is not taller than say. So the subjective case, nominative case has been used after then. Rule number 8. If the affirmative sentence is in the comparative degree, then the negative sentence will be made in the positive degree. সো যদি কম্পারেটিভ ডিগ্রিতে থাকে তাহলে সেটিকে পজিটিভ ডিগ্রিতে পরিণত করতে হবে। ইউ হ্যাভ টু চেঞ্জ দ্য কম্পারেটিভ ডিগ্রি ইন্টু দ্য পজিটিভ ওয়ান টু মেক দ্য অ্যাফার্মেটিভ সেন্টেন্স ইন্টু ইটস নেগেটিভ ফর্ম। সো হি ইজ মোর ইন্টেলিজেন্ট দ্যান আই, সি দ্য এক্সাম্পল, he is more intelligent than I. It is in the affirmative sentence and the sentence is in the comparative degree. Why comparative degree? Here more is used as the syllable is two syllable, and than here is used, so he is more intelligent than I. Compare করা হচ্ছে, so it is comparative degree, a comparison between the twos, he and I. So what will be the negative sentence of the above sentence? The negative sentence will be, I am not so intelligent as he. Come to the next example. Ashoka was greater than most other kings. So what will be the comparative? It is in the comparative degree and the positive form will be in this way. Very few kings were so great as Ashoka, and this will be the negative sentence. It is the negative sentence of the above mentioned sentence. So I have to finish here, and with a quote I will finish it. The goal is not to live forever. The goal is not to live forever. The goal is to create something that will remain forever. So it is by Chuck Palahniuk. So I have to finish. And if you like the session, then subscribe the video and press the bell icon to get further notification. Do not forget to like the video. Thank you friends. Bye bye.